Welcome to Montes Solutions Plumbing NC, where you will find high-quality and cost-effective plumbing services. For 20 years, we have been the leading plumbing services company providers of Carpentersville, Illinois. We offer the services of plumbing installation, sewer lines, drain cleaning, leak repair, and more. For more information about our company, visit our website, MontesSolutionsPlumbingNC.com. For the latest offers and promotions, you can call us at 815-517-4332 and 815-276-6981 for a free estimate on your upcoming project. Montes Solutions Plumbing NC, ensuring the highest quality always.